guys.
We're gonna play game with MM2! Yay! MM2 again na
Your mic, bro. Your mic.
ang dami kong sinabing nig.
Hoy.
N-word guys, N-word. Wala ko sabihin nyo ulit guys. Because my mom and dad and my sister and my brother don't care. And my brother always say the N-word guys. So na-affect ako guys sa affection niya guys. So biglang guys, na-affect ako guys. So guys, be careful guys na nagsasabi ng guys, na nagsasabi ng mga N-word guys. So guys,
N-word or N?
sabi ko N. Ay, nakalimutan ko mic ko. Ay, nakamig na pala ako. So guys, yes guys, please be careful guys. Wait, do we ano ka?
Innocent.
I'm sure.
Imagine yan yung murderer, yung kulay yellow. Na avatar. I don't know, trust your gut, di ba?
Po,
How about you shoot it? Or... I'm gonna restart. I know where he hide though. Sheriff Cole.
again?
Yeah.
Ikaw murder ka?
No.
Baka may balik.
Alam mo, I reset your avatar because it's gonna
Wait lang,
be ano.
one round. Trust your gut. Sino yung ano? Sino murder?
I'm not.
Wait lang. Saan siya?
Bro, go.
Okay. Na, bro. Okay, watch me.
nag-join sa akin. Here, sa'yo.
Ikuha lang dyan. Ano?
Why did you leave the game?
Wala rin ko yan.
Hmm?
Ikaw na nga daw kuya. I don't want hard games.
Where should I hide?
We should hide.
Hide na lang ako sa amin. Behind the bed. Suspect mo, join mo ako.
Ayoko yun. I want this game again. Ito, like, fairy. Ay, game na. Boom! Oh my god, it's mega bro. Tingnan nga. Ayun lang. Ayun. Bakit mo pinala ako, Blood? You should name me Johnny, bro. I'm gonna start my recording.
Who's the murderer?
Wait lang, mag-record muna ako.
Yeah. Sabi na ba. Yellow. You're talking about ungodly?
How do you add record?
You don't have the record app. Yeah, you don't have the record app. You need to download record thing.
Huh? Ano?
So yeah, you have to download a recording, like a recording app. So you can
Play Store or ano?
Play Store. Siyempre, Play Store.
Ano pangalan?
Recording app. I picked this one. That's the first recording app I ever downloaded.
At saka you're using already.
No, meron akong sariling recording. Then boom, you have it. You have the record app. Tignan mo face niya. Kahit. Camping yan, boy. Do I don't have the record app there? Download mo na.
Bro, that's so trash. Actually, wala na ako mag-record. Bro, this app is making me lag.
Puro innocent ba? Ayan.
Hello guys, I'm back. Ah, you got your teddy bear and you don't even got me a bomb. Hala, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-bomb dun sa ano.
Katulad lang yata.
Hindi ko nga alam.
Trust your crush.
I hate game, which is game dies in 2027. Don't to me.
Jump!
Gosh, I still don't know how to walk. Practice na ako ah. Oh my god.
Wait, I died.
You died?
No, I killed the ano na.
I think it's your lag.
Some hacker! A hacker flew me.
What day, ano? What's the hack?
Pero kaibigan ko siya eh. Ismaka.
Block mo siya. Then bro, let's go. Then.
Ha? Bakit?
Bro, umamay na ako ka lang din. Bro. Set ako. For the good.
Kasi yata yung bird. Yung bacon. Kasi fake bird. Hindi. Bacon.
Camper oh, camper! Wala.
Si marunong yung sheriff ako yung binaril doon. Marami niya talaga. Ano? Hindi ka raw marunong. Hindi ka raw marunong. Walang mic yan.
Bakit
sabi?
to isa?
Ano? Dalawa sila ng dalawa ng mic.
Ano yun?
I mute them all.
Alam ba yung mulado?
Huwag na kaya ikaw mag-record. Suspect na kayo murder. I did not saw her coming inside this room.
Ako yung mga buzzers, at saka binibig mo. To waste my time. Waiting.
Sheriff ako.
Oh, Sarah. Oh. Yun, balik ako ng under my posibilidad. Kali. Kali musik. Yung musik.
I saw the dead body.
Asan? It's a speedrun! Oh! Hey, I think ano, the
Yes, the murderer daw pero namatay. Alam mo na, ano ba?
Dad. So guys, wala akong camera. So, hindi yata ako mag-vlog. Mag-gaming lang ako. For the rest of my channel. Ayoko yan. Gusto ko to. Ay, malate ako guys. Ano maya? So, this is my friend Casey. Say hi. Ay, why you sit down?
Sheriff.
Oh, sana all sheriff.
Oh, sana all sheriff.
Ang hinahide here guys.
Bro's playing dead.
I'm not.
Ang suspicious ko dun sa kabila.
Yeah, ice cream.
Get out, get out.
Or, where are you guys? What? That's a murderer? Oh my gosh. No! I was...
Hitbox. Hitbox, bro. Uy!
That was not hitbox. Oh,
I was... Is this? Hello.
well, I'm gonna change my avatar lang.
Bro,
What?
meron na nga change avatar dito. Switch avatar. Oh.
Switch account yun?
Ta? Switch avatar or switch account?
Wala naman akong ganyan na ano eh, pinili eh. Ito yung kasi yung sinasabi,
Uy.
kasi yung sinasabi mo, oh, mga ganyan. Ito yung ginagawa ko.
Bad boy Johnny.
Ano din like, bro,
Pajama Johnny.
this guy need to stop guys. This guy need to stop.
Periwinkle
I'm gonna
Kyle
make
16.
Little Johnny. Little Johnny. He's gonna have little arms. And good Okay. Casey, look at my avatar. Look at my avatar. In here lang, in here, in here. In here lang. Ay! That is Little Johnny. Baby Johnny, you're Little Johnny. Let's go, what's that? Oh, yay! What the heck is my running? What's this? Bro, what's happening to my arms? Yung arms ko pag niguran ako. Little Johnny, what's up, Little Johnny? I'm more littler than this guy. If I just change my head, because the only part of Johnny is the head and hair and the accessories. What? Can I even bomb jump? Oo, I can.
Uy, lobot!
Lobat ka?
I'm at like 20%.
Yo.
Why is this guy following me? Anong pangalan ba nito?
I'm the sheriff, by the way.
Si Ulol yung panos. Yung murderer.
Clutch. Clutch. 3, 2, 1. What? I shooted!
You shoot, but you missed.
Ah. Get out of here.
That is not Tiny Johnny. That is Random Johnny. She will move.
Three, two, one. Oh, I missed by an inch. Yes! Oh my God! Look at my cute dance. Yeah, whoa, whoa. Please subscribe and comment.
Iwan tayo.
No mercy ba? Joke lang.
This time. I'm gonna hide here.
Okay, so...
Even though it's revealing. Sige! Hala.
What's up, gang?
Yan yun na eh.
Guys, I think I'm not a spam jumper. And innocents and murderers are the spam jumpers. See? See? Guys, I'm so right? Oh wait, I'm just gonna jump. Yup!
Ah, yun sa'yo eh. Nandito siya sa akin oh. Oh my God.
It's diary! Oh my god!
Very weak, Kel.
Yeah, El Periwinkle. Oh. Oh, 1v1! Guys, stay. So we need to 1v1. So, what? I'm gonna hide here. Here's something small. My legs and torso and my hands. Sir.
I'm lagging.
Shake. Now, sir.
Ayun, gun! Gun!
Shake.
Gun!
Shake. What? There's no gun.
Wait lang kasi.
Oh, sorry. Let me make a dance for you guys. 3, 2, 1. No. Swirl. No dance. Oh, now jiggle. Shake. Oh, swirl. Shake. Point. Now shake. Oh, shake tuloy. No there. Now there.
Oh, lol!
Where's the gun?
Wait lang, I have to kill the ano eh.
Oh, he's right behind you.
yun, pinatay ko na. Where are you? You're so
Hindi ka mamot! Wait! Can I stand on your head?
No.
No! Hi! Hi, selfie!
Hoy! Hoy!
Let me go. Yeah! Yay!
Because you can reach the gun.
Bro, I can bomb jump. Are you stupid?
Di ba't di ka ng bomb jump?
Nakita mo yung bomb nasa ground? It means it's reloading, bro. Oh my gosh.
Change your avatar.
I'm not changing it. I'm not changing it because you're commanding me. I become the bush. Sir. No, shake. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, sure. Oh. Trust your gut. I'ma kill the first person I see in this hallway. Oh, found it.
Wala na.
Oh my gosh, it's the leprechaun. Wait, I'm gonna add the leprechaun.
Si Perry Winkle? Already add her.
How did you know it's her? Oh,
Eto! Inad ko na siya kanina.
yeah, but how do you know it's her?
Because I can see her username. It's Perry Winkle. Winkle.
You know why did I add her?
Why?
Because I'm just gonna name her leprechaun.
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 You're something like that. Leprechaun. Bro, I thought you were ready.
Ano pa puntis po? Hell no.
Oh hell no! I think if you want to do that, you just go to Brookhaven. The thing is a murderer! Not you. Why are you chasing me? Oh,
What was it?
it's the brown that looks like a red. It's the dark chocolate girl. Come on. It's the white chocolate. White chocolate. Excuse me.
Why shoot me, bro? Why shoot me? I know.
Sige na. Let me try to switch my avatar. What should I do?
Ba't meron kang bakla na kitaan?
Bakla. Look at my call. Look. Asan na yun?
Nawala.
So, what should I change? Monkey Johnny, Cool Boy Johnny, Strong Johnny, White
Strong
Johnny,
Johnny.
Black Johnny, Pajama
Strong
Johnny, Bad Boy Johnny, Fancy Johnny, Witch Johnny, Maid Johnny, Glitch Johnny, Evade Johnny, Burger Johnny, Normal Johnny.
I'm Sheriff.
What?
You're innocent.
Wait. Every round I'm gonna change my avatar. So what do you want?
No, like if you die, you will change your avatar.
Bruh.
Si Perry Winkle, si Double Gang.
No! Bro, she just got inside. I am now. Oh my god.
It's 49 na agad. I gotta go, bye.
Oh my god.
So guys, goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye guys.
Wait,
Come here.
wait.
Come here.
Bye-bye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
See you in the next video.
Yeah, see you.